Ah, shit. It's too high.
Use me as a human stool. Do it!
Grab my hand. Grab it.
I'm not gonna make it, am I? You tell Gabriela I will miss her.
You can tell her yourself.
No, it's okay. You go live a good life.
I'm not going anywhere without you. Now grab my hand, soldier! You let go! Now you get the hell out of here! You go! Where'd you come from?
Oh. Yeah, turns out we could have just walked around.